we were successful in getting on the ballot, the Socialist Workers Party was for Róger Calero for U.S. Congress in the 15th Congressional District.
So why was he successful and you were not?
Because the signature requirement is far less for U.S. Congress than it is for governor. But I think the requirements are too high, and it's undemocratic in a way for the Democrats, Republicans to try to increase their monopoly. I'll give you an example of that. A couple of decades ago, the Socialist Workers Party would get on the ballot for presidential elections in some 30 or 40 states. But the last presidential election, we're on the ballot in like 15 states, as the Democrats, Republicans, and the state legislatures have upped and upped and upped the amount of money you have to pay or the number of signatures you need to collect to get on the ballot.
It says here you're a pharmaceutical worker.
Yes.
So what are your thoughts on the Obama health care plan?
I'm against it. I think it's a plan to help the insurance companies get more clients and business, but insurance companies have nothing to do with providing health care for people. We need nurses, hospitals, clinics, and the Obama plan did none of that. As a matter of fact, after Obama plan, St. Vincent's Hospital closed. After Obama plan, General North in Harlem closed. This plan has nothing to do with getting health care for working people. This plan is about keeping it as a private business for profit, and that is exactly the problem. It should be a right for all human beings to have medical care.
But most parts of the plan have not really gone into effect yet. The bigger chunks of it will go into effect in 2013. So when you say that hospitals have closed since it passed, most of the effects, as far as I understand it, that would affect hospitals have not even gone into effect yet.
Yeah, and I'm worried about when they do go into effect, because it's going to be even worse. I think that health care should just be a guaranteed right for all human beings like they have in Cuba. In Cuba, it took a revolution to accomplish that. I think the same thing will probably be necessary in the United States as well.
But if it was a guaranteed right, wouldn't somebody's taxes go up?
No, they don't have any taxes in Cuba. What they do is they have a government and a system.
They don't have many rights either, though, in Cuba.
Well, they got more than they have here. They're able to run their government and run their country. We're not with a dictatorship of big business like we have in this country, but with working people in the driver's seat, and that's why they've been able to accomplish what they have done. I'm fearful of what's going to happen in 2013 when more of Obama's plan goes into effect, because that's when the Medicaid cuts will take place, that's when the Medicare cuts will take place, and you'll find more people in need of medical care are not receiving it in the future than you see right now.